Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add new row and column with a keyboard shortcut. Suppose we have selected a cell E2 and we want to add a new column left to the cell E2. So we will type in the keyboard Alt I C. This will add a new column left to the cell E2. Uh, so uh, if we want to add a uh, new row above the cell D4, so we will type the keyboard shortcut Alt I R for row. So here we can see that a new row has been added above the selected cell. So the keyboard shortcut to add a new row is Alt plus I plus R for row, and the keyboard shortcut to add a column is Alt plus I plus C. So the new column will be added left to the selected cell, and the new row will be added to the above selected cell. So I hope you have understood the use of keyboard shortcut to add a new row and column, and in this method we don't have to select any row and column, we have to just select cell. Thank you for watching this video.